Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve an assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 6F Event Budget. Basically it is the 6th chapter of EXP 2022. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students many times and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Basically this assignment consists of 13 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. Our step number 1 is open the Excel file student Excel 6F event budget downloaded with this project. So I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet that's required. So our step number first is completed. So in this step number second, in cell B16 type item and press tab. In cell C16 type description. In cell D16 type actual. In cell E16 type budget. In cell F16 type variance. Click cell C6 C26 and type total. So in this tab we type item in cell B16, description in cell C16, actual in cell D16, budget in cell E16, variance in cell F16 and total in cell C26. So we first copy item and paste in cell B16. So B16 is this one. We type item and in cell C16 we type description and in cell D16 we type actual and in cell E16 we type budget and in cell F16 we type variance and in cell C26 we type total. So C26 is this one. So our step number 2 is completed. So in the step number 3 it is saying that to the range C8 to C12 and B16 to F16 apply bold. To the range C8 to C12 apply alignment right. To the range D8 to D12 apply alignment left. Select column B to F. Display the column width dialog box and set the width of column B to F to 15. So in this tab we select the range C8 to C12 and B16 to F16 and apply bold. So we select the range C8 to C12 and B16 to F16 we apply bold and to the range C8 to C12 we select the range first C8 to C12 apply alignment right and to the range D8 to D12 select D8 to D12 apply alignment left and select the column B to F. We select column column B, column C, column D, column E, column F. In the format tab, here is column width, increase column width to 15. Click OK. So we increase the column width. So our step number 3 is completed. So in this step number 4, it is saying that to construct a formula to compute the variance for each budget item in cell F17, type is equal to D17 subtracted by E17 and copy formula through cell F25. So in this step we construct a formula to calculate the variance, which is equal to actual minus budget. So we go on our Excel worksheet. In the variance, we type is equal to actual subtracted by budget. Click enter and copy the formula through cell F25. So we copy the formula F25. So F25 is this one. So our step number 4 is completed. So in the step number 5, in the range D26 to F26, insert a appropriate formula to sum these columns. To the range D18 to F25, apply comma cell style. To the range D17 to F17 and D26 to F26, apply accounting number format. So in this step, in the range D26 to F26, we construct a formula to sum these columns. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select D26, this one, type is equal to, insert a formula to calculate sum and apply bracket, select the range, click enter, click enter and copy the formula down to this one and to the range D18 to F18, F25, apply comma cell style. So we select D18 to F18. So in this D18 to F25. D18 to F25. Click enter. We select the range and apply comma cell style. And to the range D17 to F17, D17 this one, F17 and D26 to F26. Control D26 to F26, apply counting number format. So we apply counting number format. So our step number 5 is completed. So I have done 5 steps of this assignment, and this assignment consists of 12 steps. If you want to do this assignment or complete course like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.